Did ancient civilizations really understand electricity? This question has fascinated scientists, historians, and researchers for decades. When we think of electricity, we imagine modern power plants, wires, and advanced technology. But what if the roots of electrical knowledge go back thousands of years? In the early 1930s, a mysterious artifact was discovered near Baghdad, Iraq. At first glance, it looked like an ordinary clay jar. But inside this jar was something unexpected. The object contained a copper cylinder and an iron rod. The iron rod was isolated from the copper using asphalt. This strange combination puzzled archaeologists. Later, scientists conducted experiments with this object. When the jar was filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar or lemon juice, it produced a small but measurable electric current. This discovery shocked the scientific community. The artifact became known as the Baghdad Battery. Could ancient people have created electricity thousands of years ago? Some researchers believe the Baghdad Battery may have been used for electroplating. Electroplating is a process where electricity is used to coat objects with a thin layer of metal, such as gold or silver. Interestingly, ancient artifacts with extremely thin gold layers have been found, layers that are difficult to explain using simple mechanical methods. This has led some scientists to suggest that ancient craftsmen may have used primitive electrical devices. However, not everyone agrees with this theory. Many historians argue that there is no written evidence proving the use of electricity in ancient times. No ancient texts describe electrical systems, power generation, or widespread electrical tools. Another theory suggests that the Baghdad Battery had a religious or medical purpose. Some believe it may have been used in rituals, while others think it could have been used to create mild electric shocks for healing or pain relief. There is also a theory that the object was simply a storage jar, and the electrical effect was accidental rather than intentional. Despite all these debates, one thing is certain. The Baghdad Battery proves that ancient civilizations had a deeper understanding of materials and chemistry than we once believed. Ancient people experimented with metals, liquids, and chemical reactions. They observed the natural world carefully and applied their knowledge in practical ways. While there is no solid evidence that ancient civilizations powered cities with electricity, discoveries like the Baghdad Battery challenge our assumptions about ancient intelligence. History is not as simple as we once thought. Many ancient technologies were lost, forgotten, or misunderstood over time. The Baghdad Battery remains one of the greatest mysteries of ancient science. It reminds us that human curiosity and innovation did not begin in the modern age. Even thousands of years ago, people were experimenting, discovering, and pushing the boundaries of knowledge. As science continues to advance, perhaps one day we will fully understand how much ancient civilizations truly knew.